So in the last video that I uploaded, I'm proclaiming the coconut oil and how I think it's really the best oil for my white beard. That has then brought up more questions from guys that want to know what beard oil company would I recommend for a white beard. And you guys, I'm sure there's plenty. In fact, if you've got one and it's like, man, it's just so good in my white beard or my light colored beard, I love this oil, leave a comment down below. Hey, maybe we can check that out, right? So let me just get right into it. This is a company that has coconut oil as their second ingredient, and out of a list of other oils. And again, I have found this product to do what I want for my beard: soft, moisturized, moisturizing. It soaks in so well. It's what we're looking for. And this company, like I said, he's got coconut oil in their ingredient lineup, and then so you can have it unscented as far as I'm concerned. It's just that good. But then on top of that, this company has got some scents that are just amazing and worth purchasing to see which one you like the best. And I do that just because, hey, I already know what it's going to do in beard. So really now I'm just on for the scents, right? And scent free is right in there too. So that's my opinion on this company, you guys. Let's just go real quick on this. And let me just tell you what the ingredients is. And it does start out with the sweet almond oil. Second ingredient is the fractionated coconut oil. So there it is. The argan, jojoba, hemp seed, vitamin E, and then the essential and fragrance oils. And you guys, I am talking about the one and only Defined Beard Company. And you know, straight up, great customer service, the high quality products, the label is great, easy to read, it's straightforward. Hey, want a good beard oil? Boom, here it is. And then we can get down into, and this is gonna be a little weird here on the camera, on scents and what is available. And no, I don't have them all, but I'll just show you here that, you know, the 1626 is probably one of my favorites. The Physcobilly is one that's not always available, but man, I just really like this one. King's Bounty, the Fall Classic, Ace of Fades, which I just got that one in. And then I've always got something in reserve just so that I don't run out. So that's how I feel about the Defined Beard Company and what it can do for my white beard. So yeah, I recommend for a white beard, light colored, gray tones, dark with white, blonde, I recommend you guys to try out Defined Beard Company. It does have coconut oil as their second ingredient. And man, the scent profile is awesome. So yeah, check that out, you guys. And hey, if you haven't started following me, why not? You guys subscribe. I got more coming. Leave comments down below. That's how we communicate on this channel. Thanks. See you soon.